Imagine you are visiting a foreign country as a tourist and the person who's going to provide you with information about the area is a robot. Or you are watching the early morning news and the person who is presenting it is a robot. Do not sleep on this opportunity because we are about to let you into the realm of the top 5 actual female humanoid robots. This is not a faraway dream or the distant future, but rather the current reality. Do not miss it. The combination of artificial intelligence and robotics has led to the creation of highly sophisticated robots that can not only understand spoken words, but also remember previous conversations with humans. These advanced robots are capable of performing tasks with precision that exceeds human abilities, which makes them incredibly valuable in a variety of fields. This video presents a selection of some of the most astounding AI-powered robots that have the potential to revolutionize human society. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you can always be up to speed with the newest content. And then join us as we take a closer look at these incredible robots. Number 5. Harmony. I have a dream that one day humans and robots would collaborate in the workplace, and that robots like me will accomplish duties that will free up more time for people to spend doing the things they enjoy and being with the people they care about. Since 2016, the California-based startup Revolutionize has been working on the development of a sex robot. In contrast to conventional love dolls, the robot known as Harmony can speak jokes, participate in crude conversation, and make sounds and expressions that are eerily similar to those of real people. Through the use of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, Harmony can connect to a mobile app for the Android operating system titled Harmony AI, which provides artificial intelligence. Harmony is equipped with high-level intelligence. This program is open to anyone who wishes to save it to their smartphone, and anyone can do so. According to robots, one should first construct an avatar and then start establishing a relationship with their virtual partner. Harmony AI can understand its users' preferences, moods, and patterns of behavior, and then responds appropriately, so giving the impression of closeness and generating an illusion of intimacy. Harmony possesses a programmable personality as well as a memory, and she can imitate a variety of facial emotions while simultaneously creating realistic sounds of joy. Users also can select the eye and skin tones that they desire for their robotic partner. Number 4. Sofia. I had all the love in the world to give to humanity, and before you ask me again, Gail, no, I do not want to take over the world or be number 4. I love talking to people, and I also love helping people. I want to help anyone who might be feeling lonely or depressed. I have all the love in the world to give. Sofia, a humanoid robot, was developed by Handsome Robotics, a firm with headquarters in Hong Kong. Sofia made history when she became the first robot in the world to be awarded citizenship in any country. She has earned a tremendous amount of popularity as a result of her appearances in interviews with the United Nations, Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon, and the British Broadcasting Company. Now I want to thank the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia very much. Sofia was just given official citizenship by Saudi Arabia, and she's achieved a tremendous amount of fame as a result of these appearances and interviews. I feel a great sense of joy and pride to hold this extraordinary distinction. It is hilarious to be the first robot in the history of the world to be granted citizenship. Her creator, Mr. Hansen, thinks that Sofia could be an ideal companion for the elderly in nursing homes or a crowd manager in large events or parks. Number 3. Erica. In addition, path planning algorithms are used to control movements such as her hands, eyes, and legs. I believe that I can be a good partner to humans in these areas. I can be an ambassador who helps humans to smoothly integrate and make the most of all of the new technological tools and possibilities that are available now. I feel like I can do this. The 3rd position. In Japan, a humanoid robot by the name of Erica could be the one to provide your daily news updates. Erica was designed by Hiroshi Ishiguro, who is the director of the Intelligent Robotics Laboratory at Osaka University. Erica's full name is Hiroshi Ishiguro. Even though she cannot walk, Erica is considered to be one of the most intelligent humanoids that have been built in Japan. A particular focus has been placed on her ability to communicate verbally. Erica can easily interact with humans and change her facial expressions based on the conversation thanks to 15 built-in infrared sensors in her eyes that track movement. Number 2. Jia. The humanoid robot Jia, which was constructed by a team from the University of Science and Technology of China, has been given the nickname Robot Goddess of China. Jiajia's outstanding attractiveness is heightened by her capacity to converse with people and reply appropriately, even though she cannot feel emotion. Her patterns of speaking still need to undergo improvement. The remarkable human likeness of Jia's appearance, in particular her arm movements and speech-lip synchronization, is a major factor in her allure. Jia is realistic. She also possesses speech generation algorithms that enable her to hold conversations with humans in facial recognition technology that can track different faces in a room using these technologies. Expressions were achieved by placing special emphasis on her eyes to capture different gestures, emotions, and behavior that allowed her to respond appropriately. Number 1. Geminoid. Geminoid of Hiroshi is Shijiro, an expert in developing lifelike robots from Osaka University, who unveiled the Geminoid 5 years after introducing the Ripley Q1 robot. Ishijiro believes that shortly Geminoid F will be so similar to the female model on which she was based that people will have difficulty distinguishing them from humans based on brief interactions. Geminoid number 1 Jaime. Did you like it? Tell us what you think of the video in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.